everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a hot minute since I was last here with you guys, but I have something really special for you. I'm so excited for the warm weather. I've been saying this, I'm not even gonna say spring because we're kind of past that, not really, but I'm so excited for the warm weather. And you know what that means? Warm weather usually means wardrobe update. So with the whole wardrobe update, I did get some pieces from ZARA, which is one of my favorite stores ever. So I'm just gonna stop talking right now and I will let you guys see what I got, and I'll be posting the sizes as well so you can use me as a reference. So when I was getting these pieces, I was thinking of the warmer weather, although I should say that while it is spring in Canada, we are not seeing any leaves on the trees. The buds have just started to come out, so hopefully soon we'll see more leaves. But I already have warm weather in mind. So with that said, my first piece is these pair of shorts, which I love. Okay, one thing that I should say when I'm purchasing one thing that I should say when I'm purchasing shorts, it's similar to pants in that it's quite hard to find one that fits your waist well and at the same time fits the booty area the way that you want it to fit. These particular shorts, I really like them because I wanted the loose fit closer to the hip area, and I really like the rips that it can, or the runs that are on the shorts. I really like that. So I was kind of scared as to whether it would fit me. I did get it in a size 4 and I really like it. It's perfect for the hip area. It's loose enough for me to be able to move around. I don't feel like I'm stuck in the shorts and unable to move. Actually, I feel really free in them. The waist is just a little bit loose, but I like it like that because if anything, I can just put on a belt, but I really like how it fits on the hip area. And I just thought with these pair of shorts, I can put it with anything. So I like pieces where I can see more than one outfit in them, and even when I buy from one purchase, I like to see the outfits working together if possible. Which brings me to my next piece, which is this crop blouse. So what I really like about this idea of a crop blouse like this, where it looks like it's tucked in, is that I don't have to worry about making sure that it's tucked in perfectly so that you don't see that, so you don't see the shirt peeking through the pants or the shorts, especially when they're tight. I don't have to think about that, which is amazing. So I can wear any high-waisted pants, shorts, skirts with it and still have that tucked in effect. Plus, I love the color of the shirt. The stripes are, there's like pink, there's green, there's yellow, and so it makes it easy to pair it with whatever, whether you want the color to pop from your bag, your shoes, or other piece of your clothing. I love the shirt. Next things I have, so while the weather is getting warmer, it's still kind of chilly, and even then when it's spring to summer, that transition, you need something on top just to layer, to keep you warm. That way, if it's warm, you can just take it off. If it's cold, you can put it on. So I got this really nice blazer. I love the pattern. I love that it's plaid and it's got this tweed material as well, and I really like it because it is like your typical classical blazer but with a twist, and I really like the color. I feel that you can use it with a sweater underneath, you can wear it with a t-shirt underneath, a crop top. It's just so flexible and versatile, which you guys already know I'm all about that. I've already thought of so many outfits with this blazer, and I do think that it's something that will last me for a while. Like when I touch the material, it's something that I can wear both in spring and even closer to fall and winter. So it's a piece that I would say is great for layering. Speaking of putting things on top, I also got this raincoat. Okay, it's like a raincoat jacket. I've always wanted a raincoat that wasn't really a raincoat. Let me explain. So usually the typical raincoats, you think of like plastic, anything that you just put on top of you so that your things won't get wet. But most of the time I don't really like how it's just like this piece of plastic that you put on. So I have always been on the hunt for a raincoat jacket that's stylish, that's really nice. And this particular one from Zara, I absolutely love. One, because of the color, two, because of the style, three, because of how it fits. And it just looks like a normal jacket, but it's water repellent, which is perfect, especially in this time of the year when you can expect rain to just happen at any time. And sometimes you don't have an umbrella. Sometimes you just have your jacket. In my case, I'm more likely to bring a jacket than I am to bring an umbrella. And this would be a jacket that I would bring with me just in case. And even if it wasn't raining, I would just use it anyway because it looks so good. So the material is light, which I like. That means you can wear a sweater underneath. It's not one that you would wear for warmth. It's strictly for style and if it rains. And I really like that. So I would say that for the price that I paid, I would say that it is worth it because it's not something that's easy to find. A raincoat that looks like a jacket that is really nice. It's just really nice. And it looks like they put in the work for it to be water repellent, but stylish at the same time. So I gotta hand it to them on this one. It's one of my favorite pieces. Last but not the least, oh my goodness, I love this coat. Although when I first got it, I was a little bit disappointed when I first got it because I did get a very similar coat during the fall and winter, which is purple. And the material on that was a lot heavier, really good for colder weather, which makes sense. But then I had to think about it. Hey, this is a coat that I'm buying from the spring collection. And the material is really soft. Also, a lot lighter than the other coat that I got, but almost the same style. But I have to say that with this one, it makes sense because it doesn't have too much material so that you'll be sweaty in it, but you can layer really nicely in it because it's so light. You can wear whatever you want underneath, but at the same time, it gives you enough breathing room to be able to layer as much as you want and to also be warm as you want. So basically you have full control as to how you want it to be. Also, I have to say the color is what drew my attention. I love the color. When I first saw it, I already had so many outfits in mind. So I do think that it was definitely worth the purchase because not only do I see it as a trend for now color-wise, but it is classic. This color will always come back. And at the same time, the style is one that I would say is timeless. It's not just a trendy piece that you'll say, you know, it's in for this season. It's not. It's something that I see myself wearing further ahead in the future. All right, so I'm just gonna round up my thoughts. I have to say, there was not one piece that I regretted from what I bought. It's exactly as I saw it online. On top of that, the material did not disappoint for me. Second thing is the proportion. I always look at the proportion because online, here's the thing online. When you look at online pictures, it's very easy to see like a certain shape, but we have to keep in mind that it's very easy to manipulate the proportion of a piece of clothing just from the posing or sometimes adding pins at the back or simply getting it tailor fitted for the model. But with these ones, I have to say that the proportions are exactly as I imagined it, as I looked at it in the picture, given that I am also used to buying things from Zara. I know my sizes. So it does help to check the size guide. It's pretty accurate. Price-wise, I would say that it's fair given the material and given my experience also with other Zara products. I found that they've lasted with me for years. The material hasn't faded from my experience, and I really like the pieces. proportion-wise, even style-wise. It's one of my favorite stores. It really is. And this haul did not disappoint me, which I love. I've had products where I didn't fully love them. I was okay with them because I'm not a fan of returning products. So if I don't need to, if I really, really don't need to, I don't return them. Or if it doesn't fit me, I would just give it away to someone. But with these products, there was not one that I regretted. I loved each and every one of them, and it's exactly what I had in mind. And that was it. So if you guys liked it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram, where I post lots of fun things and updates, and be sure to check it out because I will be featuring these items that I showed you today in this video to give you some fashion inspiration, some outfits that I have in mind. I will be posting them on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me there. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.